Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 29th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, the Aussie dollar is sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement of this last push down. Normally, the 78% is a pretty big area of resistance or support, so it makes sense that it is reacting to that. Now, the whole thing is if this is a wave one, this is a wave two, then this needs to continue up for a wave three, potentially all the way up to the 161 and potentially even higher than that. If it's not a one, two, three, then it potentially could turn it to 78%, go down, give us a very, very strong breaker structure, telling us that it's not in one, two, three, but it's actually an ABC and it's going all the way back down. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, I already have my Fibonacci retracement on here, but really I would like to start to see some breaks of structure to know that we really are making a move to the downside. It has not broken structure to the downside yet, and there's always a possibility that it just keeps on going up. As always, the trend is your friend. If it does go down, if it does give us some very significant breaks of structure, and if it breaks structure with momentum, then I definitely would turn into a seller because that may be telling us that this is a wave C, not a wave three. But as of right now, the trend is up, the trend is your friend, and I'm definitely still recommending longs in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.